Welcome to the Neville Goddard Son of Abdullah channel, where you're about to unlock a meditation unlike anything you've ever tried. Imagine being able to manifest your deepest desires in just 20 minutes. This isn't just another meditation, it's a powerful manifesting portal that will blow your mind. If you've been struggling to manifest or feel stuck, this method will shock you with its speed and potency. In fact, many who've used this have seen instant results, and today you're going to experience it firsthand. What makes this meditation so unique and powerful? It's the energetic shift that happens when you step into the manifesting portal. You're not just visualizing your desires, you're becoming the version of yourself that already has them. The key lies in accessing a deep energetic vortex where everything you want already exists. We're using the power of quantum alignment to bring you straight into resonance with your goals. This meditation creates a rapid shift in your energy, allowing you to manifest what you want on a whole new level. Let's face it, most manifestation methods fail because they don't go deep enough. They ask you to think positively or visualize, but they don't help you embody the energy you need to make things happen. This meditation cuts through that noise. It's based on Neville Goddard's teachings and the law of assumption, but we're taking it up a notch. You will feel the energy shift instantly as you immerse yourself in the manifesting portal. This isn't woo-woo nonsense. Quantum physics tells us that everything in the universe is made of energy. When you shift your frequency to align with your desires, things manifest effortlessly. We're hacking that process today. To fully step into this portal, you need to prepare your energy. Here's how. Find a peaceful place where you won't be disturbed for the next 20 minutes. Set a clear intention. What exactly do you want to manifest? Be specific and think big. Breathe deeply and let go of any doubts. This is a space for limitless possibilities. Keep an open heart and mind. This meditation requires full trust in the process for maximum impact. Now, let's dive in and activate the portal. Step 1. Close your eyes and take 3 slow, deep breaths. With each exhale, imagine tension leaving your body. You are preparing to enter the vortex of creation. Step 2. Picture a glowing doorway in front of you. This door leads directly to the manifesting portal. Feel the energy of anticipation building as you approach it. This is the gateway to instant manifestation. Step 3. As you step through the door, feel the energy intensify. You've entered the vortex. This space is alive with the energy of everything you want. Now, picture your desire clearly. Visualize yourself living that reality, see it, feel it, experience it as if it's already done. Step 4. For the next 10 minutes, stay in this energy. Feel the joy, the excitement, and the relief of having your desire fulfilled. Let every cell in your body resonate with that energy. This is the part where you energetically shift into alignment with your manifestation. Now, this next part is crucial. After the meditation, don't fall back into doubt or worry. You've already placed your order with the universe. You've stepped into the vortex, and your manifestation is already on its way. What you need to do now is trust and let go. Stay in the feeling of already having what you want. Throughout your day, anchor yourself back into that feeling anytime doubt creeps in. This is how you keep the energy alive and pull your manifestation into reality even faster. Be ready for surprises. Most people who try this report seeing instant shifts, from sudden opportunities, unexpected phone calls, or even things falling into place effortlessly. The energy in the portal works fast, and the more you trust, the faster things manifest. Don't be surprised if things start to happen within hours, not days. The more you let go, the quicker you'll see the results. Here's an example of how powerful this meditation can be. One of our viewers, Mark, wanted to manifest $5,000 quickly. After using this meditation just once, he received a call from an old client offering him a gig worth exactly $5,000, within 48 hours. This is what happens when you align your energy with the universe. The results are fast, they're real, and they're powerful. This isn't just another meditation. This is your chance to step into your power and manifest on a whole new level. The manifesting portal is designed for you to access your desires without delay. You don't have to wait months or years for things to happen. When you use this technique, you become the creator of your reality, instantly. So, are you ready to make things happen faster than you ever thought possible? If you're ready to see how quickly this works for you, go ahead and try this meditation right now. And when you get results, because you will, come back and share your experience in the comments. I love hearing about your manifestations. Before you leave, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who needs to unlock their own manifestation power. You're now part of a community of powerful creators, and together we're going to transform lives. Thank you for watching Neville Goddard, son of Abdullah, and I'll see you in the Vortex. Manifest powerfully, my friends.